Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Last day I have taught you chapter number 6. So here today I will just teach you that question answer. Chapter number 6, I think you have remembered that the Siddhartha was waiting for his father because actually on that day he was going to school. There was a show. What is the name of the show? The show and tell day. So there they had to take their favorite toys. So he took his favorite airplane. And another friend, he had taken a robot. So he and also another children had taken their favorite toys. But Siddhartha was asking that robot from his father. But his father was telling that he could not afford to buy all these things. After that, his grandmother came and Siddhartha was very unhappy. But after that, grandmother told and given a morals or given a nice teaching to him while giving him food or chapati. So there Siddhartha could understand all these things. So that was the story. Siddhartha was waiting for his father so that he could tell him about his day at school. He could fight with his father. So number 1, tick the answer A. We can tick it. Number 2, father was surprised that Anurag had participated in the show and tell day at school. Siddhartha had asked for an expensive robot. So, number B. Number 2, Siddhartha was had asked for an expensive robot. Siddhartha was angry. He left that his father was refusing to buy an expensive toy for him. He had taken the airplane to school. Angry, number 3, A. Number 4, Siddhartha was upset with his grandmother because she was asking him to eat more and that he could handle. She was serving food to Siddhartha. Number A, for number A, I told that she has given a nice teaching to him. Number 5, Siddhartha understood that everyone has their limits, that everyone can afford everything. So, number 5, A. And after that, some questions are there. I can write the questions and answer. Number B. Number 1. What did Siddhartha take to the show and tell day at school? So, what did Siddhartha, only answer I am writing. What did Siddhartha take? So, Siddhartha took his airplane to the show and tell day at school. Number 2. Answer number 2. What toy did Siddhartha ask his father for? So, first one, Siddhartha took an airplane. To the airplane means toy airplane. Here also answer is there. That favorite toys, show his favorite airplane to the school. So, airplane toys. And what toy did Siddhartha ask his father for? Siddhartha asked an expensive robot. Siddhartha asked an expensive robot. Siddhartha asked an expensive robot from his father. he asked an expensive robot, why did grandmother continue feeding chapatis to Siddhartha? So another thing also, question number 3's answer, I am writing that Siddhartha's grandmother continued feeding chapatis to him because she wanted, here I am just writing, she wanted to teach him that everyone has their limits and his father also. Okay, only this much you can write, limits. So there you can understand that how Siddhartha can understood, and also he did not take again that expensive robot. So relate, choose the best option, draw a smiley against it. You really like your cousin's expensive toy car. Before you play with it, what should you do? I should ask my cousin for his permission. I should keep away the other toys. Obviously, number 1A. 1A, relate. I can draw one smiley. Number 2, it's a Diwali. You see some people at the red light who can't afford to buy sweets. What would you do? I would pity them and move up. I would offer them extra sweets and that I have. Number 2B, we can draw one smiley. Number 3, you go to your friend's house, you notice that she has a lot of different types of chocolates. She offers you some. What would you do? I would take a few and thank her. I would come home and ask my father to buy similar chocolates for me too. So I would take a few and thank her. Number 3A, we should draw one smiley. So this is the thing we can draw. And here, true, false. I always demand things from my parents. False. I ensure that I take whatever I like when I visit a shop with my parents. That is also false. I throw the things what I do not need. No, that is false. I always allow the rules set by my parents. True. I shout at my parents when they do not get me what I want. That is also false. So please, that things you should do, and next day I will do another thing. Okay. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Bye.